Teapot is...
Yes!
Close ang atong angkuan.
Close by. Close by.
Next picture.
Praise. Praise.
Praise? No. Spray is the correct answer.
Spray. Spray.
Spray kaya ang letter S. Pray. So, grabe ka easy word out before. Next word. Give one word 3 letters. Sama na. Si Ma'am. USB is points and then 2 points.
Ala.
Next picture. One word, 10 letters. And then
Candy heart. Sweetheart.
is
Correct.
so nana sila 4 and 6 points. Next word, next picture. One word, 6 letters.
Format. Format.
Si Ma'am Bahian.
Format.
Is
Yeah.
Walis na ha?
so tayo na. Oh my God. Tayo sa kasi.
Tiebreaker.
Nagit sila.
Ala.
Tindog, palit tindog.
Tindog.
Okay. 6 points and then sa group 1, raise your hand.
Group
Sa group 2, raise your hand. Okay, ang group 1, ang bak ikatulo. 1, 2, 3. Ang group 2, ang bak ikatulo. 1, 2, 3. Ulit ko na.
Ayos
Next, okay, ready? Next picture.
Tama na.
Sama na. Gold digger is.
Correct.
Gold digger na guys. So nana sila 8 points and 6 points.
points.
Bawit yun ang group 2 always. Next. One word, 6 letters.
Belong.
Belong. Okay. Sa tayo, 8 points.
Hello.
Sila na one word.
8 all. Wala na.
Last, ano kayo next picture?
Lazy dog. Lazy dog.
Lazy dog, one word, 6 letters.
Ay, 6 letters eh.
One word, 6 letters.
Lying dog.
Sama niya, eh?
Fun dog.
Okay, isa pa.
Fun dog.
Fan dog. Fan dog is
Ay.
Edit lang ha.
Nandiyan na 8 points ang sa tayo.
Ay, kabal ka ba, be?
6 letters.
Lie dog.
Hotdog.
Hot dog is.
Wow. Sakto.
Next picture.
Tama na siya.
Yeah.
Grass. Cow.
Carabao grass is from
6
one word,
letters.
6 letters. It's a cow.
Cow.
Wala, kirit.
Edit lang.
Kasut lang.
Okay, Tagalog of
6 letters.
cow.
Cow.
Next na yun kay
Saan na itawag sa yung lawas?
Saan ba ganyan? Oy, na. Kani.
Moscow is.
Sakto lagi. Wow! Mos na. Sakto mos lagi.
Okay, next is.
Ano na, ha?
Corn.
One word, 7 later.
7 layers. Amazing. Dili. Popcorn.
Popcorn is.